10 Best Brake Pads for Ram 1500 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Ceramic Front and Rear Disc Brake Pads. Experience a new level of stopping power and driving confidence with our ceramic front and rear disc brake pads. Engineered for a perfect, direct OE replacement fit on your 2022 Jeep Wagoneer or 2019 to 2022 Ram 1500, these pads are meticulously crafted. Forget common complaints. Our advanced MTF602 carbon ceramic formula delivers exceptional low dust and whisper-quiet braking, ensuring cleaner wheels and a smoother ride. Rigorously tested with a 72-hour salt spray challenge, they're built to excel in extreme conditions, while their leaf mark certification, less than 5% copper, highlights our commitment to both performance and the environment. Installation is straightforward with included wear sensors, mounting hardware, and high-temperature brake lubricant. Drive with ultimate peace of mind, backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee. Number 9. Bosch QuietCast Ceramic Disc Front Brake Pads. Experience the ultimate in quiet, reliable braking with Bosch QuietCast Ceramic Disc Front Brake Pads. Drawing on over 77 years of OE braking excellence, Bosch ensures unmatched performance and durability you can trust. Our exclusive molded shim technology and OE-style multi-layer rubber core shims virtually eliminate noise, giving you exceptionally quiet stops every time. You'll appreciate the meticulously engineered ceramic friction material, delivering robust stopping power and ultra-low dust, keeping your wheels cleaner. Plus, with powder-coated backing plates and precision-cut slots and chamfers, these pads resist corrosion for a longer lifespan. Ready to install right out of the box with included hardware, upgrading your vehicle's braking has never been easier or more confident. Drive with Bosch quality. Number 8. Ram 1500 Drilled Slotted Ceramic Brake Kit. Ready to elevate your Ram 1500's performance where it truly counts? Our drilled slotted ceramic brake kit offers a complete front and rear upgrade for your specific 5-lug Ram 1500, 2006, 2023 Classic, excluding SRT10, Chrysler Aspen, or Dodge Durango. Experience a dramatic improvement in stopping power thanks to our precision-engineered drilled and slotted rotors, built to exceed OEM specifications with proper fit and finish. Paired with premium ceramic brake pads, you'll enjoy smooth, quiet stops that are far superior to generic metallic pads, plus extended pad life. Every component is rigorously tested for impact, wear, and fatigue, ensuring exceptional quality and durability. Drive with confidence, knowing you have superior stopping power beneath your pedal. Number 7. PowerStop Z36 Truck and Tow Ceramic Rear Brake Pads. Your truck or SUV works hard. Its brakes should too. PowerStop Z36 Truck and Tow Ceramic Rear Brake Pads deliver the superior stopping power essential for heavy hauling, towing, or challenging off-road adventures. Engineered to excel where stock brakes fall short, Z36 pads provide unmatched confidence and control, even with larger wheels or added weight. Enjoy virtually noise-free braking, thanks to premium stainless steel shims for exceptional heat dissipation and extended pad life. Installation is a breeze with included high-quality stainless steel hardware. Give your hardworking vehicle the ultimate stopping upgrade it deserves. Confirm fitment and drive with peace of mind. Number 6. Top overall pick. Ready to empower your truck or 4x4 with unmatched stopping power. Our Z36 Truck and Tow carbon fiber ceramic brake pads are truly the top overall pick for a reason. Engineered for extreme braking performance, they provide incredible confidence whether you're hauling heavy loads or tackling challenging trails, all without sacrificing smooth, everyday drivability. You'll appreciate the low-dust formula that keeps your wheels cleaner, while premium stainless steel shims ensure virtually noise-free stops and excellent heat dissipation. Plus, the powder-coated backing plates resist rust and corrosion, significantly extending pad life. Experience powerful, clean, and quiet braking that lasts. Just remember to confirm fitment. Number 5. Dodge Ram 1500 Carbon Fiber Ceramic Brake Pads. Elevate your Dodge Ram 1500's performance with our carbon fiber ceramic brake pads, engineered for those who demand uncompromising power and precision. Designed as a direct, OE replacement fit, installation is seamless, requiring no modifications to get you back on the road faster. Experience superior stopping power right from the first drive, thanks to our thermal scorching process that guarantees enhanced braking performance when it matters most. Say goodbye to persistent brake dust. Our positive molding technology ensures cleaner wheels, preserving your truck's aesthetics. Plus, with an application-specific design, these pads offer prolonged service life and unwavering durability. Drive with ultimate confidence. These pads meet all Better Brake Law standards, delivering unmatched safety and reliability. Number 4. 8PC Ceramic Front Rear Brake Pads and Clips for Dodge Ram. Restore confidence in your Dodge Ram's stopping power with our 8PC Ceramic Front Rear Brake Pads and Clips. Experience a premium, quiet drive as advanced noise-dampening technology eliminates irritating squeals and minimizes vibrations for a peaceful brake feel. The low-dust ceramic formula also keeps your wheels cleaner. Precision-engineered chamfers and gas slots efficiently dissipate heat, preventing outgassing and guaranteeing reliable, consistent stopping power every time. This complete front and rear set, including all necessary clips, perfectly fits your Dodge Durango, 2003 to 2006, Ram 1500, 2005, or Ram 1500 van, 2003. Replace your D966/D967 pads with these premium ceramics for enhanced safety, comfort, and peace of mind on every journey. Number 3. Power Stop Z17 ProMaster Front Ceramic Brake Kit, 2014 to 2024. ProMaster owners, are you ready to transform your driving experience? Say goodbye to frustrating brake dust and irritating squeals with the Power Stop Z17 Front Ceramic Brake Kit. Expertly engineered for your 2014 to 2024 van, these advanced ceramic pads boast a low-dust formula, ensuring your wheels stay remarkably clean. Thanks to thermal scorching and OE-style chamfering and slotting, you'll experience a lightning-fast, noise-free break-in that's genuinely better than stock. We even include premium hardware for a straightforward, hassle-free installation. This vehicle-specific kit delivers superior stopping power and a clean, quiet ride, proving that an upgrade doesn't have to be complicated. Drive with confidence. Upgrade to Power Stop today. Number 2. Dodge Durango Ram 1500 Front and Rear Ceramic Brake Pad Set. Ready to rediscover confidence behind the wheel of your Dodge Durango or Ram 1500? Our front and rear ceramic brake pad set is engineered to transform your stopping power. Specifically tailored for 2003 to 2006 Durangos and 2002 to 2005 Ram 1500s. This complete package of 8 premium ceramic pads ensures a straightforward, time-saving replacement for your entire vehicle. You'll immediately notice the difference. Superior stopping power, significantly less brake dust keeping those wheels pristine, and exceptional durability that actively extends your braking system's lifespan. Drive with unmatched stability and peace of mind, knowing your brakes deliver steady, reliable performance every time. For peak results, always confirm fitment. Your truck or SUV deserves this upgrade. Number 1. 2002 to 2008 Dodge Premium Ceramic Front Brake Pads. Ready to elevate your driving experience for your 2002 to 2008 Dodge? Our premium ceramic front brake pads deliver a confident, quiet, and clean stop every time. Engineered with an advanced, copper-free ceramic friction formula, you'll experience exceptional, environmentally friendly stopping power that meets OE industry standards. Say goodbye to noisy, dusty brakes. Our design ensures the lowest dust, keeping your wheels cleaner, while guaranteeing a smooth, quiet braking experience in all conditions. Built with precision-cut backing plates, these pads offer superior strength and stability, resisting wear for long-lasting, consistent performance. Plus, with OE design slots, chambers, and included hardware, you get a precise fit, optimal heat dissipation, and enhanced braking efficiency. Drive with confidence, knowing you have superior reliability on the road. So, that sums up my 10 best brake pads for Ram 1500. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time.